Alright guys, we're back. I forgot the body clips at home, so I'm not going to waste the trip. We're going to improvise with some Gorilla Tape. Let's see if we can get this done. It's been a 3-month deal, so hopefully we see 100 miles an hour on this try. Maybe this will help with the aerodynamics anyway, we'll see. It's probably going to be a spectacular failure, but that's all I got for now. So let's start the GPS. Satellites, guys. Yesterday, 0. Start. It's reading. Wait for this van to leave. Maybe do a little warm up down here. Make sure my trim is good. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Van is on his way out. Here we go. She was scooting that time. I actually did have it pinned at full throttle for a good while. That ABC was working. Let's see what she did. Stop. Read. Oh, 90. We broke 90 at least. I'm gonna try it one more time. See what happens. Famous last words, right? Track. Stop. Read. Zeroed out. Track. Start. I'm going to turn the ABC down just a little bit because I think it might be pulling some power. See if we can get her up there. Might have to switch to the high volt battery. It's very twitchy up there. I may be at the end of the range on this radio, guys. Here she comes. spectacular disaster. Exactly what I thought was going to happen. Well, nothing else, we got an awesome crash out of it. I wonder if the GPS was still on it, or is still on it. It is not. Is that it up there? Let's see how fast the GPS was going. Still working. Well, maybe not working. Stop. Read. That was a 68 mile an hour crash there, guys. I knew it would be spectacular. Just didn't know it would be that spectacular. Well, if there's a positive side, guys, it didn't catch on fire. So there you go. Thanks for watching.